Welcome to Reading Assistant, your personal reading coach. Get ready to record your own voice reading stories, articles, poems, songs, and even jokes. Here's how it works. In your library, click on the cover or the Go button to open your reading selection. The World's Biggest Waves, written by Catherine Follett. Click on the Start button to begin. Let's check this one out. Before you begin reading, let's practice some of the new vocabulary you are going to see as you read today. Click each word to hear it read aloud and see the definition.
Tsunami, a large wave caused by an underwater eruption or earthquake.
Then click the orange speaker to practice reading the word yourself. Repeat after me.
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
After completing all the vocabulary words, you are ready for Step 1. Step 1. Preview and read on my own. In Step 1, read through the entire selection silently and look at the pictures. Or you can have it read to you by clicking on the Read to Me button.
What makes a tsunami? December 26, 2004 was another lovely day on the southern coast of Thailand. The sunny beaches were full of tourists. Local people fished from boats near the shore. But suddenly, something strange happened.
Click an underlined word to find out what it means.
Splash, the sound of water hitting a surface. We could hear the water splash when my uncle jumped off the diving board.
Click on any word to hear it read aloud.
Regular.
As you read, click on the light bulb icons to see the Think About It's. The Think About It's are questions or statements to help you think about what you are reading. Look here to see how many more Think About It's you need to do. When you have finished reading and doing all of the Think About It's, you are ready to go to Step 2. Let's go! Step 2. Read and record. In Step 2, Reading Assistant will record your voice while you read. When you are ready to read aloud, click Record.
3, 2, 1.
What makes a
Remember, when a word is highlighted in yellow, try reading it again.
Tsunami. December 26, 2004 was another lovely day on the southern coast of Thailand. The sunny beaches were full of tourists. Local people fished from boats near the shore, but
If you are having trouble, Reading Assistant will coach you.
Suddenly, something strange happened.
When you are done with the reading, your fluency report shows you how many words you got correct per minute and if you reached your goal. After each recording, the words will be colored. Practice your red and blue words to improve your reading next time. If you would like to hear yourself read, just click the Play My Reading button.
December 26, 2004 was another lovely day on the southern coast of Thailand. The sunny beaches were full of tourists.
Now we can go on to Step 3. Step 3. Take the quiz. In Step 3, take the quiz to see how well you understood the reading selection. Answer carefully. To earn points, you must answer each question correctly on the first try. When you are finished with the quiz, your reading selection report shows how many points you earned. You can watch this tutorial at any time by clicking on the Help button from any screen. Now you're ready to start reading. Have fun!